Hi guys, how can you create this vertical photo panel effect in Photoshop? First, go to File New. Create a new document with a white background using your required settings. Click Create and fit the canvas to full screen. Now go to the Shapes tool and select the Rectangle tool. Draw a vertical rectangle and fill it with red color. Resize the rectangle from the corners. Double-click the rectangle layer to open blending options. Enable drop shadow. Color, black. Angle, 45 degrees. Distance, G. Size, 14. Keep other settings default. Now enable stroke. Position, center. Color, white. Size, 9 pixels. Press OK. Select the Move tool, hold Alt, and drag to create multiple copies. Create several vertical rectangles across the canvas. Now select each rectangle one by one and press Ctrl+T. Rotate and adjust each rectangle the way as shown. Repeat this for all vertical shapes. After adjusting, hold Shift and select all rectangle layers. Press Ctrl+T and center them properly on the canvas. Press Enter. Now go to File, Place Embedded and insert your image. Lower the opacity so you can align it properly. Press Enter. Right-click the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Set opacity back to 100%. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the image. Drag the duplicate above the next rectangle layer. Create a clipping mask again. Repeat this process. Duplicate image. Move it above the next rectangle. Create clipping mask. Do this until each vertical shape has its own image panel. Now select the background layer. Go to Adjustment Layer Gradient Map. Open the gradient editor and choose a suitable gradient. Adjust the colors as you like. You can note color codes if needed. Press OK. And that's it. This is how you create the vertical photo panel effect in Photoshop.